In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the phone number field mandatory in WooCommerce, specifically for those of you using WooCommerce blocks and a block-based theme. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part, so you can easily apply this adjustment to your own site. Let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to the checkout page within your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the area where all your critical e-commerce interactions happen, so making the phone number mandatory can ensure your customers provide essential contact details, facilitating smoother transactions and delivery processes. You can find this page by going to the Pages section in your WordPress admin and locating the checkout page. Click on it to open it up. Now, once you're on the checkout page, you're going to see a series of blocks as WooCommerce Blocks operates within a block-based environment, similar to the Gutenberg editor in WordPress. Look for the block list view in the top right corner, which should appear as a hamburger icon, resembling 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Clicking this will display all the blocks that are part of your checkout page. Within this block list view, locate the block that is responsible for either the billing address or the shipping address. It's crucial to make sure that you're clicking accurately here because these address sections are where we need to enforce the need for a phone number. Selecting one of these blocks will highlight it on your main editing screen, bringing up its settings in the right-hand sidebar. Over in the sidebar, look carefully through the options that are presented. You'll find a checkbox labeled Require Phone Number. Ticking this box will enforce that the customer must provide a phone number during the checkout process, which is what we're aiming to do. This simple adjustment can significantly improve the efficiency of your communication and service delivery by ensuring you always have a contact number to reach out to if there are any issues or updates regarding the customer's order. Once you've checked the box, make sure to save your changes. You can do this either by clicking Save at the top of the page or using any other save mechanism displayed, depending on your theme's specifics. Ensuring your changes are saved is critical, as it verifies the setting is applied and will be functional on your live site, ready for the next order through your online store. And there you have it. We've successfully made the phone number field mandatory on your WooCommerce checkout page. This simple change has the potential to improve your business process by improving communication and service reliability. This ensures that every customer who completes a purchase also provides a phone number, helping you maintain better contact and possibly improve services like tracking and customer support. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this helps streamline your WooCommerce operations.